Welcome to Nerdio's WVD demo of the day. This video is going to be the fourth in the App Attach series, and we're going to explore the end user experience and also the admin experience of managing App Attach packages and how they get used by the users or how they get seen by the users who log into their virtual desktop session. So in the previous three videos, we looked at the 3 steps required to start using App Attach. Number 1, we looked at creating a storage locations using Azure Files, which is automated through the Nerdio Manager. We looked at the process of uploading the App Attach application and assigning users to it and groups. And then we looked at the process of attaching an application to a host pool. So let's review that very quickly. We're going to go under the settings page, select integrations, and we will see that we have multiple App Attach locations. And in today's demo, we're going to be looking at this one called App Attach Demo Apps, which is in a premium storage, Azure file storage locations. Then we're going to go into App Attach Apps. And here we'll see that we have 2 apps. We have Firefox and Notepad++ that are both uploaded into the App Attach Demo Apps location, which we just looked at on the previous page. And currently these apps have no users or groups assigned to them, but they are assigned to a particular host pool, which is called App Attach Demo. Let's then go and find that host pool. Let's click on Workspaces, click on our demo workspace, and we'll see a host pool up here called App Attach Demo. And if we go to Manage App Attach Apps, we'll see that App Attach is enabled on that host pool. We have set the storage location to App Attach Demo Apps, and we have attached these 2 apps to this host pool. We'll also notice that we have some users that are assigned to this host pool. And one of these users happens to be a user called NMW Tester2. I'm logged into the HTML client and I can see my App Attach demo pool right here. So I'm going to go ahead and log into that pool right now. For this host pool, I'm using a marketplace image of Windows 10 2004 without Office or any other applications. And what you'll notice here is if I try to find either Notepad++ or if I try to find Firefox, these applications are currently not installed on this particular host pool. They're not loaded on the image. But we will see how easy it is going to be to make these applications available to this particular user. So let's go ahead and log off as the user. And while that's logging off, we're going to go into our App Attach Apps. We will click on Assignments next to Firefox. We're going to search for NMW Tester2, select the user and click Assign. And we will repeat the same process for our Notepad++ app as well. So let's find NMW Tester2, select and assign. And now let's go ahead and log back into the App Attach demo desktop. All right, now that we're logged in, if we're going to search for Notepad++, we will see that lo and behold, we now have Notepad++ that is available on this exact user's desktop. And if we click on it, it will come up as if it's a locally installed application. You can see it's not a remote app or anything. It's an application that looks completely native and normal to this user session. And the same thing is going to be true for Firefox. So let's look for Firefox. There's our Firefox application, and we click on it, and Firefox comes up. like a regular app that's launching for the first time. Again, looks completely native and normal to this user, even though these applications aren't installed. As a matter of fact, they are mounted off of the Azure Files share. And if we look a little bit under the hood, we can actually see where all of that is happening. So if we open up File Explorer and go to the C drive, we will see a folder called App Attach. And inside of App Attach, there will be two subfolders, one called Junctions. And this Junctions folder is where the mapping is done to the Azure Files VHD file that contains the application. All of this is obviously done completely automatically under the hood by the Nerdio manager for you. And you can also see some logs. And inside of these logs, you can investigate what's happening exactly. If we scroll all the way to the bottom of the log, we will see the latest attempt to log in. Here is our user that logged in a few minutes ago, and the two applications that were registered as a result of the user being assigned these apps. And now if we were to go and log out and unassign these applications, so if we unassign this from the user and do the same thing for Notepad, then these applications will no longer appear when the user logs in for the next time. So as you can see in the 4-part series on App Attach, Nerdio Manager really takes the process of App Attach management and simplifies it tremendously, allows you to leverage Azure Files to upload the applications, and then easily manage user and group assignments on a per hostful basis very quickly and easily. And it works really seamlessly for your users. So as more and more applications become MSIX and App Attach capable, this is going to really be the future of the way in which applications are managed. Hopefully you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.